Alright guys, in this video I would like to show you how can you make a creative for your ads, Facebook ads using Canva.com. So at the end of this video you'll be able to create this type of images. And this one's a video. Alright, let's begin. So first of all, you need to create an account in Canva.com. So just type in Canva.com, create an account. So in this case, you have the option to go for the free version and for the paid version. So right now I'm using the paid version, which is the Canva Pro, which allows me to have more options in creating my ad creative. So in your ad creative, just simply click on create design, and under create design type in Facebook post and click this Facebook post. What this does is it automatically creates a template for you, the right dimensions, or that's with the dimensions that's fit for your Facebook post. And this is what I also use for my ad creative. So when you click on this, you'll go to a blank page like this one, and on this short exercise I will just teach you how to navigate Canva, the tools. Here was the templates, uploads, photos, elements, and texts, and hopefully you can create these 4 different types of images. First one is a stock photo, simply a stock photo, and this one's a graphic image. You can design elements inside, and this one's a combination of graphic design and the real photo. And also this one's a kind of a video type of creative. So first 3 are images, the last one's a video. It's like a short GIF or GIF. So that's the beauty of having a paid version of Canva. So first of all, you just have to first conceptualize your ad creative. So I'm assuming you know how to do that, because I'm not gonna tackle that in this video. That's for another video. If you like, I'll put on a link below if I already created that video. But for this exercise, so just assume that our offer is a lead magnet, and our lead magnet in what we're trying to run for ads is to create to optimize the ads for sign-ups, email subscribers for this particular lead magnet, which is a web design templates for landing pages. Okay, and then our markets are, our target market here is online entrepreneurs, obviously startups. So because startups normally does their own website design, so they're creating designs from scratch. So okay, so first thing we need to do is to go to templates. I'll just show you what are the types of templates you can use. So this was Facebook post, newsroom Facebook post, sales Facebook post. So what I know for a normal template using a sales post, type in advertising. You can try typing in advertising. You can see already you can create just by clicking this. You already have a template that you can tweak. Okay, you can just edit the text, the logo, the picture itself, and even the shapes that you want, the colors. Okay, the colors you can click here and choose change color of your liking. You can even type in if you have a you want to follow your branding guide. You can type in the color code. Okay, it's the same for the text. For the text, you can change the text here. Okay. You can change the size here, increase, lower. You can even use the resizing option of the text itself. Change the color of the text, clicking on this text color too. Can okay, for some of the fonts you can you can adjust the font design or type. Italics if you want to left adjust, center or right adjusted. Here you can put bullets. You need to, you don't have to. This one, if you want to adjust the height, let's see. Okay. What are some other effects? You can use some of the effects that are available here. What else? You can also use, you can even put a link on your image, but you don't have to because you're going to use this for ads. You can even change that text into all caps or with lowercase. You can underline it. So many things you can do here. For the images, you can also use this transparency. I think this is also opacity. See? Okay. And that's it. Okay, so let's say you don't want to use any of that, any of the template. You can just go back to, don't use the templates. Okay, let's go right up to the photos. So in photos you can find stock photos. For example, I'll just type in web design. As you can see, there's so many pictures that you can use. These are all royalty free. So if you're using a free version of the Canva, you won't be able to access the images with the pro sign. You can only use the free images. So here's what you can use. So right off the bat, what I'm looking for when I'm using the stock photo is just to quickly scroll down, and whatever catches my eye, like this one and this one, I can already use that. I know it's among the other images, this one stands out easily. So maybe because of the background or the combination of the colors, doesn't matter. The goal of our ad creative is to, you have to remember this, by the way, when you're running Facebook ads. So since Facebook is a social platform, your creative's objective is to disrupt the user from scrolling and get them to read your ad. That's it. So how would you know if your creative is effective? If it catches the user's attention. So that's what I'm trying to look here. Quickly scroll. And this one's also nice, so you can use that. You can drop the image directly to this page, or you can click here and adjust it according to your liking, whatever you fancy. Okay. What else? So you can drag this here and double click. If you double click, you can adjust the image left to right. See? Okay. Okay, so how did I make these? So basically, you click on the page and pick a color. Then instead of going to the photos, we go to the elements. Okay, then in the elements, just type in a website design. Website design. And I go ahead and click on this elements, drag them here, resize them, click on this. See? You can simply resize it based on what you find here, what you like here. Just to give you an idea how I come up with my design, I simply go to Google, type in my niche or my idea or topic or my offer website, let's say website design, and Google will show you the top results for images based on the keyword that you typed in. And let's say if we're talking about web design, Facebook will show you the best images that would describe or is associated with web design, website design. So as you can see here, what I'm trying to do now with the top results is to look through the images and see what are the elements of the images that is common with all of them. So let's say, obviously, I can already see that there's a monitor or a laptop or a desktop computer. See? So if I click on create, I add in the keyword create website. Let's just say, as you can see, there's this image. This is a top image Google's giving me, so it makes sense that I use some of the elements here, people creating or building some sort of page, right? Here they're all the same. So that's how I conceptualize the idea for the creative if I'm going for the graphic design type of image. So like I said, why is this showing website? So let's say website builder, or yeah, already type this. Anyway, I think you get the point. Get the elements here if what you're trying to create, and then simply drag and drop. Okay, like say for PDF, I want something, I want to communicate in my picture that they can download using by clicking on the link, my Facebook ad, which is normally a learn more button. And so I wanted a PDF, so just type in PDF. Fortunately, the internet is slow, so we'll just show you a bunch of images here. I'll click on I've chosen this image, and some of the images you can change the colors. They can even customize it, like this one. I want to make it blue, purple. See that? And even the one the side. And then for arrow, just type in arrow. So that's it. Now if you want to include an image like this, it's so easy. You can go to uploads, click on upload media, and you can upload from your computer. Once you've uploaded, say it shows in this picture. Okay, let's pick this picture here. Go to this image, choose this. It's a picture of me. Click on the image, click edit, just click on the background remover. And it will give you an image like this. Simply resize it. Don't need to go to a Photoshop or to edit your pictures. I just took this photo at home. You can also use you right click on the image, you can send it back or send it forward to position your images. So for example, this image is I want this to be on top of this image. Just click on this bigger image and send this back. See, now it's on top. And put it back. There you go. Okay, and then so when you download these images, you have to click on this button here, and you have to decide what file type you want to download. I normally use JPEG for this, and then I don't edit the size because that's already fit for Facebook post, for the Facebook ad. And quality, you can even increase it if you want, or just leave it as it is, and then click on which page you want to. So let's say I want to use this for my ad. Click done and then download. Okay, wait for it to download. There you go, you have an image you can use, you can upload on your Facebook Ads Manager. So what happens if you have an element in your image which is what do you call this, animated element? So this automatically becomes a video, but when you download, you have to choose this MP4 video and click only on the last page. Otherwise, Canva will create a video showing all of the pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like carousel type of video. So you only want to click this one. Now you're downloading the video. You can for the text, by the way, for the text, I almost forgot. So go, if you want to add some text, go here, text, simply click on add heading. There you go. You can type headline here. Then you can resize however you want, drag wherever you want. Okay, same for the subheading or the little text. If you want put a hashtag follow me now. Yeah, example, want to put your website here, so just in case some people will copy your image, will have sort of like a watermark. So there you go. Styles, I don't use this much. I think you can use this if you have a branding guide, Canva, but that's advanced already. For your video, you can even add in audio for your video. I think for videos, you can create videos in Canva, but it's a different. You can create using several pages. I guess I will have to do that on another video because it's already getting to change the sample of our video. Just a 5-second video. 7, 8, 10 seconds. That's good enough. Just to test for variations from a static image and animated image. Okay, I hope this short tutorial helped you a lot. If it did, please subscribe on my page. Leave a comment. Let me know what are your questions so I can make another video for that. Right?